Hello and welcome to PeatDataHub. This is the third and final part in our tutorial series detailing the process of establishing an eyes on the bog monitoring site as part of our partnership with the IUCN's peatland program. We will now move on to surface level markers. These markers allow for the monitoring of peat surface movement, measuring peat accumulation and carbon capture if we're lucky, or peat subsidence and carbon loss at a site. Begin by navigating to your EOB monitoring site and selecting Surface Level Markers tab. Then select Add Surface Level Marker. You can then add a unique identifier for the marker, LM_01, latitude for the marker, and longitude for the marker. We select the initial ground level in centimeters and the date installed. You can then add any appropriate comments or otherwise select Save in the top right corner. To add further measurements to the surface level marker, select the marker and then navigate to the Measurements tab. You can then add surface level marker measurement, enter the fields basically the same as you did before, with a change in level. You can select whether washers are attached and again add comments. So as you can see, adding that measurement then calculated the peat depth as a total, as well as calculating what it was relative to the last survey. This will continue to happen with surveys being added in chronological order, and peat depth trends can be shown over a long period of time. Thank you for watching the final tutorial for uploading eyes on the bog monitoring sites to PeatDataHub, and I encourage you to view more information of the IUCN program via the link in the description if you have not already.